wonderful people. Greetings from Family Chef to you. Today we are going to cook breakfast, okay? Quick breakfast. I have my pepper, onions, spring onion, and cheese, spinach, my olive oil. Let's just get started, okay? I'm going to saute my onions. My bell pepper, any color. Let's add a little salt. I'm making two different kinds of breakfast, okay? I have my eggs here. You see these mushrooms? It's going in here with the batter. The mushroom has sauteed for 3 minutes, so let's add our spinach. The spinach and mushroom has sauteed for 3 to 4 minutes, so I'm putting that aside too. Now I have my 2 eggs here, right? Now I have my spring onion, the green part, okay? Okay, let's have our butter. Okay. The eggs goes in. Wait until the egg is fried. I'm gonna turn it over and fill it with a lot of veggies. The egg and the taco. Oh, the taco is in the bottom. The egg is up. All right. This is how we are going to fill it. Tomatoes goes here. All right. This is mushrooms. All right, mushrooms and the spinach is going in here. I have my cheese, curry powder, a little bit go up, cayenne pepper for heat. This is complete season actually. Complete season go on top of it. Now, one breakfast is done. Let's put it in this plate. Go for the second one because we have 2 different kinds of veggies. This is first one. Let's go for the second one because we have more veggies here. This is pepper, bell pepper, onion, spring onion. Let's see how we are going to make another breakfast with healthy stuff. Another 2 eggs going in. One breakfast is gone. 2 eggs, a little shake of salt, green onions, spring onions. Okay, this time I'm going to put a little season, allspice, cayenne pepper for heat. I love my curry powder. Curry powder go in. Then your taco go on top of the egg like that. Let's fill it with our veggies. very, very, very healthy. When you wake up in the morning or in the afternoon, you don't know what you should eat, you want to go out and grab pizza, why don't you make this breakfast for yourself? It doesn't look like pizza. End of my video. Please subscribe for my channel for me, okay? And share and like. All right, next time I'll bring more videos. This is mushrooms and spinach, and this is peppers, onions, tomatoes. Is it not good? Family chef, try to be nice and kind to everyone. Next week I'll bring more videos. We're gonna try.